Hello friends, welcome back to the iSenShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix corrupted recycle bin on Windows. Method 1. Delete the recycle bin folder via CMD. Open command prompt as administrator, then execute the command line as shown in video to delete the recycle bin folder. Method to run system file checker. Open command prompt as administrator, then run the sfc command line to scan your system files. Method 3. Check disk for errors. Run the command prompt as administrator, then run the chkdsk command line to check your disk errors. If the recycle bin is corrupted, is there any way to access the files? Yes, of course. iSenShare BitGenius is the reliable data recovery software that can recover data from a corrupted recycle bin. You can download from its official website. Now open the software and select a location to scan. It should be the drive where the corrupted drive lies. Click the Start button to begin scanning. After scanning, tick the Recycle Bin option. Then click the Recover button, and select a destination to save the data. All right. The data recovery is finished. You can go to the destination folder to check the files. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.